Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and of course it is time for the training session. Okay, before we go fully into that, I must say a big thank you to you guys for sharing all your trading results with me. Yesterday's trading activities were so amazing on the Telegram channel. We all made a lot of profit. Even a newbie made over $200 just yesterday, and that was amazing. It made me really happy. Okay, that a newbie, someone that just came up about 2 to 3 days ago, and he has started trading and he's already making money from the platform, and so many people also made a lot of profit right from the platform using the 3M trend milk indicator, and I'm really happy about that. It shows that you guys are listening to my training videos, you guys are using the right trading tools, and you are using it to make the market successful. There's always one thing, there is one thing that I'll make mention of, okay, most especially for those on the Telegram channel. I know you all want to grow up your trading capital, but you should also learn to pay yourself also from the profits you are making. Okay, so as you are growing your trading capital, because the more your capital, the easier it is for you to trade. Okay, as you are growing your trading capital, you should also learn to pay yourself. So even if it's a certain percentage of the profits you are making, you can just pay yourself out, even if it's going to be once in a week, okay, so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's always sweet when you do it that way. Okay, so I love it when I see some of my subscribers withdrawing from the platform. Okay, so it shows that they are really enjoying the fruits of their labor. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, it's a continuation of the training session which we started yesterday. Successful trading strategy for trading boom and crash, and that is what we will be looking at in today's video. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we do that, guys, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay, you can be making profits right from here, day by day, if you truly know your onions very well, okay, and you are patient enough, you will be able to make a lot of profit from here. Okay, so that is it. And of course, all you just need to do, in case you are just joining the channel, is just to take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course grab 1 or 2 strategies shared there, and of course, and you can always practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so just the way we have it right here, okay, before coming to this region, let me show you this. Okay, I used it to explain to us yesterday that these 6 major items itemized on this board are very important. Even if you want a perfect strategy to trade with, then you should know some of these things, so that you will be able to trade successfully. So I'm just going to be combining the first 3 together. Okay, the first trade together, so that you will understand how to go about it. So just the way we have seen it, your trend is always important. Trading, you can start trading on the lower time frame. Even if you are doing your analysis or confirmation of the trend on the higher time frame, you still have to come to the lower time frame, break everything down to the lower time frame to see how you can trade successfully within that region. Okay, then this signal that supports the trend is very important. So let's go straight into it. Like I have always been telling you that the trend is always very important. The first thing you should have at the back of your mind is what you want to trade on the asset. Okay, this is crash 1000. Okay, if you want to trade the spiky part, then this is when to trade it when the market is on downtrend. Okay, when the market is on downtrend. Okay, and if you don't want to trade the spiky pad, then this is when to trade it when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so that is when you have more opportunities to trade it successfully. If you should notice something, okay, when the market was on uptrend, there are still some spikes happening, okay, but they are not as much as the ones that happen when the market was on downtrend. Okay, so that is very important. And some people will tell you, yes, the market was on downtrend, was on uptrend, and I decided to buy it, and it still crashed. Of course it will still crash because it is meant to crash at that point also where it crashed. It is meant to crash at that point where it crashed, just that you are in the right trend. So the crash might not really put you in a lot of loss, or probably wipe off your account if you had used the right lot size. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, look at it the other way around. When the market was on downtrend, we are supposed to be having more crashes happening, but it's still buying. Okay, it's still bought a bit. Those are pullbacks that are happening, just that the buying around here might not be that significant because it is the period for crashing. Okay, so you need to be very careful and be prepared for some of these things. They will happen. They are pullbacks that can cause distraction whenever you are in the right trend. So you need to be patient enough for it, for the system to go back into the right trend so that you can milk the market successfully for yourself. Okay, it can only delay you from getting to your profit, but you definitely get to your profit if you are on the right trend. And of course, if you follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, so that is very important. And if you are using the right lot size, okay, that is always very important. So you being in the right trend is very important. So when you understand the trend you want to use in trading, then definitely all you just need to do is to wait for the exact trend. Okay, in this situation, let's say we are just buying, then definitely this is when we will be trading when the market is on uptrend. And the uptrend usually start from a support zone. Here is a support zone, and of course a major support zone at that point. Then if you allow it to get to this support zone and you are able to confirm that, okay, it's not going to break out from this support zone, then definitely you can come in and trade. Okay, because you are within the right trend. Even if you start trading and you got to the, let's say you decide to come in here and you got to this region and it crashed down till it got to here, then definitely you should have your mind at rest because it will still go back into profit. You can see it went back into profit. That is it. And of course, this is not even the right place for you to come in, because if you should check it out, we had a crash around there. It is very close to a resistance zone. Okay, so you shouldn't come in around there. We usually have crash around the resistance zone. If you had come in around there, then you would have been in profit even before it got to the next resistance zone. So that would have given you an opportunity or an edge over it. Okay, so that is it. So this is very important. You should know the right trend to trade your asset. Okay, so and you should follow the signal that supports the trend. You knowing your right trend to you knowing the exact trend to trade it is very important, but identifying it on the chart might be something difficult for you. So if you have the right trading tool that will help you to identify it, then it will be very easy. But if you don't have, you can also make use of custom made indicators like the one I'm having on the charts, which is 3M trend milker indicator. It already gives us the signal that this is going on uptrend. Okay, so definitely you should know that within this region, if you trade cautiously, then definitely you're going to milk the market successfully. So that is it. So all you just need to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend. For instance, here is the buy signal. You can come in here and pick up few candles and you close your trade. Here is another buy signal. You can come in here and pick up few candles and close your trade. Here is another buy signal. You can pick up few candles and close your trade. Okay, but for those that really know their onions, they can pick it up right from here till the very last, or probably pick it up right from here to the next resistance zone and they close their trade, then pick another one from here to the next resistance zone and close their trade, then pick another one from here, then it is already approaching the next resistance zone, so they should close their trade at the moment. Okay, so that is how you can use it to milk the market successfully. This is why most of my subscribers are really making profit with this particular trading tools, because it's so easy and it makes it very easy to using analyzing the market, and with it they can easily milk the market successfully without any hiccups. Okay guys, just like I have explained to you earlier on, you should expect pullbacks to happen in between. If you are saying that it is spiking when it is in the right trend, it is a pullback. Okay, check it out. It is also buying when it is supposed to be crashing. Okay, so all those things are meant to happen, so you shouldn't be scared of that. So that is how it works. Okay, that is how it works. So you should prepare yourself for that. There will always be pullback. You don't expect it to be going in one direction for a very long time. Okay, so all these are very, very important. You knowing the right trend to trade the assets you want to trade in order to achieve the results you want to achieve is very, very important. Then your lot size is also very, very important. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so if you are able to put all this together, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.